can't believe my little one is already 2. Come celebrate with us and later I'll be working on a mushroom figurine commission. We went to Mother's Wonderland, which is near my husband's hometown. We chose this place to celebrate so Eunice could have the best time. In just one day, she got to experience everything she loves, going up and down the stairs, riding a boat, swimming, seeing many lights, swinging, watching animals, riding the carousel, sliding, blowing out her candle, and playing with bubbles.
Happy birthday, Eunice!
Shows ang available po dyan sa loob. Dito naman po sa courtyard, photo opportunity with our
Overall, it was a full day out. She loves going on trips. Same with me since we usually just stay at home and don't go out much. But as you see in the video, it looks like I was the one having the most fun.
Tulig talaga? Gugu ko.
Sige, tiikin mo yan. Oo, kayo na. Ito ang sa ulo. Oo, yun is. Natay na. Sige, tatapon ko naman ito sa cellphone mo eh. Dali mo, ayaw ko niyan.
Wow! Lamig! Lamig na, lamig! Ay, snake! Wow! Love!
Tingnan mo nakakot.
Now let's make some art. Of course, it has to start with drinking coffee. Now I can sketch using iPad. It's so much better for me than traditional drawing because I can undo mistakes, especially since I'm not very good at drawing. The most tiring part is conditioning the clay and mixing my own colors. I'm not complaining though because I chose to mix the exact colors I needed for my project. I think I spent about 4 hours just mixing because the clay was a bit hard, which is actually for perfect for me. I don't really like soft polymer clay. At first, I relied on my hands and used a blade to cut and mix it, but I eventually gave up because my hands started to hurt, so I finally used the pasta machine. I mixed olive green as a complementary color to match the red mushroom. I combined all the green shades I had, then added yellow and brown. I'm used to this since I always mix my own colors even when I'm using air dry clay, though coloring polymer clay is much more challenging. I use two-tone colors with a darker shade on the inside. This will act as the shadow of the mushroom. I've tried different tools and methods to make the grass, but the needle tool and this technique work much better than the rest. I always cook for my family. This time, the dish I'm cooking is called minanok. I first tenderized the beef using a pressure cooker, then added onions and ginger. Next, I added the pumpkin, salt, and fish sauce for flavor. Once it was cooked, I added the mustard leaves but only half cooked them. It's even more satisfying when paired with a dipping sauce of fish sauce, calamansi, and chili. I used aluminum foil for the mushroom's armature and then covered the cup with red clay. I also blended in some orange for added depth. After baking, Banish couldn't stand on the grass, and the magnets in the feet and grass and mushroom weren't sticking well anymore. I didn't originally plan to add magnets, I just tried it out. But since I wasn't satisfied and I accidentally overcooked Banish, plus I didn't like the final color, I decided to make a new one instead. I think this mushroom lantern is super cute. Here's the view from our rooftop. This is where I let them sunbathe in the afternoon. Here's the final look. I really enjoyed making it. By the time I'm editing this video, my client, who has become a friend, has already received it. If you like my content, please like, subscribe, and comment so this video gets suggested to others. Thank you so much for watching.